So in my last video, I made a video about fidget spinners and magnets. And the internet went a bit crazy with potentially making free energy out of this. So in this video, I've decided to actually try and make a free energy generator out of some magnets, coil, a fidget spinner, and to demonstrate the energy produced, some LEDs. The principles of this are quite simple, and those of you studying physics or engineering will probably repeat this back to me, but it's electromagnetism. What I'm effectively making is an electromagnet. When current flows through a wire, which is basically electricity, it produces a magnetic field around that wire. Now, it also works in reverse. When a magnetic field is present around a wire, it will induce a current through the wire, but it has to be constantly changing magnetic field. And electricity is also known as power or energy, so we're effectively producing free energy. As you can see in my setup, I've just soldered some LEDs to the end of some solenoids or copper coils, which you can buy off Amazon, and then I've screwed in some nuts and bolts through those coils, which act as the core of the solenoid. Now, when a magnet is present or quickly attached to the solenoid, the core of the solenoid, it actually induces a current within the coil, which passes current through the LED and lights it up. Here I'm actually demonstrating the final fidget spinner sort of generator looking thing. It looks really cool and it works quite well as well. I'm also demonstrating how you can see the LEDs light up as soon as the magnet hits the metal core. There's actually no battery or energy source present in this. It is literally just spinning a fidget spinner and putting a magnet near it. Now here's a big N50N neodymium cube, which is a lot stronger, and I can hold it away a lot further to produce the same effect, which is pretty cool. I'll just turn off the lights shortly to demonstrate how cool these LEDs look in the dark. As you can see, the green, red and blue LEDs light up quite nicely. One thing I noticed was that I actually wired up the LEDs in a different orientation, so some are backwards and some are forwards. Now when I rotate the magnet, it actually impacts which LEDs turn on and how they turn on, which is really cool. You can look up the right hand rule if you want to find out more about that. And now I'm just further demonstrating that you can even just drop the magnets on the actual solenoids and they will light up the LEDs. I find that pretty cool. For my final demonstration, I'm just showing two opposing spinning fidget spinners, and they actually produce some pretty cool effects. Here the LEDs don't light up in just where the magnet is because the magnets are constantly changing location. The LEDs light up in different spots. And that's my video for today, guys. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I look at all of them. And thanks for watching.